The volitional form of Japanese verbs can be used to make suggestions or proposals. Let's look at some examples. 明日、公園でピクニックをしよう。明日、公園でピクニックをしよう。Let's have a picnic in the park tomorrow. In this sentence, the irregular verb する is in the volitional form, しよう. The volitional form is usually translated as let's do. If the verb is in the ます form, conjugate ます to ましょう。明日、公園でピクニックをしましょう。明日、公園でピクニックをしましょう。Here's another example. かなこに真実を伝えよう。かなこに真実を伝えよう。Let's tell Kanako the truth. The 一段 verb 伝える to tell is conjugated to its volitional form by removing the final る and adding よう。Here's the version with ます。かなこに真実を伝えましょう。かなこに真実を伝えましょう。You can also suggest not doing something by using the following phrases. The ない form of a verb plus ないでおこう。The ない form of a verb plus ないことにしよう。The dictionary form of a verb plus のはやめよう。The dictionary form of a verb plus のはよそう。These phrases are roughly synonymous, but I will note any difference in connotation among them. However, other people may have different interpretations than I do, so please keep that in mind. Let's take a look at examples using these phrases. 人質を殺さないでおこう。人質を殺さないでおこう。人質を殺さないことにしよう。人質を殺さないことにしよう。In these two sentences, the 五段 verb 殺す to kill is conjugated to its ない form 殺さ。The first sentence gives me the impression that you want to keep the hostage alive for fear of the consequences or because you think the hostage will be useful later, but you still might kill them later when you no longer need them. The second sentence, on the other hand, sounds like you were going to kill the hostage, but you changed your mind at the last minute. 人質を殺すのはやめよう。人質を殺すのはやめよう。人質を殺すのはよそう。人質を殺すのはよそう。In these two versions, the dictionary form 殺す is used. Both sentences imply, at least to me, that you were going to kill the hostage, but you had a sudden change of heart for whatever reason. Now here is an example involving the ます form of verbs. 肉を食べないでおきましょう。肉を食べないでおきましょう。肉を食べないことにしましょう。肉を食べないことにしましょう。In these two sentences, the 一段 verb 食べる is conjugated to its ない form 食べ。The ます form of 置く is 置きます、while the ます form of する is します。The first sentence sounds like you are trying to save the meat for later, or you are trying to abstain from meat consumption temporarily. The second sentence, on the other hand, sounds like you have been eating meat all your life, but you have decided to stop eating meat in the future as a self-imposed rule. 肉を食べるのはやめましょう。肉を食べるのはやめましょう。肉を食べるのはよしましょう。肉を食べるのはよしましょう。In these two versions, the dictionary form of 食べる is used. The ます form of やめる is やめます、while the ます form of よす is よします。The first sentence sounds like you are either trying to persuade other people not to eat meat, or you have been eating meat all your life, but you have decided to quit eating meat. The second sentence sounds like you are suggesting that we should refrain from eating meat for whatever reason. This is the end of this episode. In the next episode, you will learn more about the volitional form.